Electronic products have become the quintessential part of human life, including you. The challenge now is how do we manufacture the best quality, most cost-effective, and innovative products delivered to your doorstep.
Arisa punya solusinya.
Desain ini akan kita improve supaya bisa lebih ekonomis dan diterima pasar.
Imaginations is the strongest thing coming from human minds. Turning them into reality is what we do. We cast an extraordinary beauty, even from the toughest of steels. Connecting the dots to pull out the best in every idea.
Selamat pagi rekan-rekan. Pada hari ini kita akan jalankan 32M7. Minum!
Semangat! Yes, yes, yes! Tetap jaga kualitas dan kuantitas ya Mbak ya.
It's more than just assembling the ideas. It's a commitment to bring them to life. Because we strive to always be the best every step of our way. That's why leading brands choose us as partner, to share the same value of bringing out the best and improving the quality of life. In Arisa, we manufacture with you.
We are the team